Alright, black and white ePaper screens are cool until you're trying to read a comic and everything looks like a photocopy. That's where the BOOX Tab X C steps in. Big screen, full color, no more sad looking Spider-Man. It comes with a massive 13.3-inch Kaleido 3 glass screen that can show over 4,000 colors at 150 ppi. So yeah, when you're deep into a comic book or colorful document, it looks nice, but not quite Retina display sharp. It's softer than pure black and white, where you get that crisp 300 ppi like a real printed page. Basically, if it's text only, it's razor sharp. If it's color, still good enough to enjoy without squinting. Performance-wise, they packed in a 2.8 GHz Qualcomm octa-core chip, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and it's running Android 13. So yeah, Google Play Store, cloud syncing, note-taking apps, all the good stuff. But because there's always a but, Android 13 feels a little old when Android 15 is the latest. Could they not have squeezed in 14 at least? Oh, and about the battery. It's 5500 milliamp hour. Sounds solid, right? Well, the original Tab X had a 6300 milliamp hour battery, so there's definitely a bit of a downgrade here. Blame it on how ridiculously thin this thing is. Just 5.3 millimeter, slim and sleek, but you gotta trade off somewhere. Connectivity, you're covered. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, USB-C with OTG support. Plus, it's got this nice front light setup, Moonlight 2, with adjustable color temperature, cold and warm LEDs, flicker free so your eyes don't feel like they ran a marathon after an hour of reading. They're also bundling a new Inkspire stylus, which is pretty slick, 4096 pressure levels, tilt support, magnetic charging right on the tablet's edge, and even haptic feedback, so it feels more real when you write. Only catch, no eraser tip. You'll have to use the side button if you mess up. Oh, and this pen needs charging too, unlike the old Wacom one that was passive. Now, not everything's perfect. No fingerprint scanner, no SD card slot, and if you're planning on grabbing their keyboard cover, heads up, it's not backlit. Also, it's not compatible with EMR pens. But here's a fun twist. The original black and white Tab X launched at $880, and even after a discount, it's still about $800. This color Tab X C, it's going for around $820. Just a heads up, if you notice any discrepancies, feel free to let us know. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.